All right, today we are going to be correcting the last sentence under set 11. So this is sentence number 5. If you have not written this sentence down in your notebook yet, make sure that you pause this video, write it down, and then press play when you're ready for the corrections. All right, today our sentence says, the Hawaiian word aloha and the Hebrew word shalom means both hello and goodbye. In this sentence, we have subject-verb agreement error. We also have some capitalization errors to fix, and we're going to add some underlining to show that two of our words should be in italics. So first, let's address our subject-verb agreement error. The first thing that I'd like to do is I just want to identify the subject of my sentence. What is this sentence about? After asking myself that question, I can clearly answer that the subject of the sentence is the Hawaiian word aloha and the Hebrew word shalom. That's what we're talking about. Now, because we have that word and, we are looking at a plural subject. So if the subject of our sentence is plural, the verb of our sentence needs to be plural as well. To make this plural, I am going to get rid of that extra S. That takes care of my subject-verb agreement error. Next, I'm going to look at some capitalization errors. So really, the first thing I'm going to look at is I want to know if there are any proper nouns in this sentence. I see two right away. I see Hawaiian and I see Hebrew. Because I know that these are both proper nouns, I know that they both should be capitalized. Now that I've capitalized my proper nouns, I just want to make sure that I have all of the capitalization errors fixed. As I look in this sentence, though, I'm recognizing that I'm looking at two words that both mean hello and goodbye. When we think about these words in English, we know that we don't treat them as proper nouns, and so they're not capitalized. So if I would not capitalize these words in English, I probably shouldn't capitalize them in their other language either. So I am going to uncapitalize both of these words. That would fix my capitalization errors. And the last thing I need to address is my underlining to show that some of our words should be in italics. Now, the two words that should be in italics are our two words that are not found in the English language. So I'm going to underline or italicize aloha as well as shalom. Now, because I cannot italicize the printed word, I'm simply going to show that they should be in italics by underlining those phrases. And that would fix my italics errors. All right, if you have any questions about how I've corrected this sentence, be sure to comment on the video and I will try to answer those questions as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, everyone.